Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Kashfix. Today we're working on this 2018 Toyota Camry. This has a 4-cylinder 2.5 engine on them, and as you can see, the alternator bearing got the pulley bearing got seized up, and it just turned apart and the belt got ripped off. So let's go ahead and get this alternator part replaced. All right, so the first thing we need to do is disconnect the negative side of the battery. So just simply unplug it and separate this terminal. Then pull this notch and pry this, and you can lift up with your finger. You would need a 10mm to unscrew this cable. Loosen up. Keep the 10mm nut safely. And pull this out. Also, there's a connector underneath. Press the tab on the, press it and pull it out like this. That's it. At this point, we would need to separate this screw and the cables. One bolt is right here and two underneath. All right, remove this 10mm bolt. Just loosen up. I can screw it with my hand. Okay, right here. Secure it and separate this connector cable from the alternator. Now, this one bolt, which is 12mm on the top and two at the bottom, they have to remove. They have to come out. Okay. Let's screw this one. This 12mm nut. And there are two down there. Looks like the stud is also loose. We just need a nut, so I just screw it back. Here's the 12mm nut, and there should be another maybe I can use ratchet. Pull this board out, and we should be able to pull the starter out. There you go. And pull it out from here, just pushing not too much, but just a little, and you should be able to pull it out just like this. Just be careful with the AC pressure lines. Just like that. All right, so here's the replacement part for this car. I bought this from a local recycler, used junkyard parts guy, and this is the original. This is the same from Toyota Denso, and I got this for about like a just a 20% price of the actual part. It cost me about $120 with the low mileage car, and so I should be fine with this. If you wanted to throw out a new one, probably it costs you around 500 plus. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this put it in. The same way, just be careful with these connectors. If you actually, I'm gonna see if I can disconnect this, so it will give us some more room. Press this, slide it down carefully with the AC pressure lines, and here, right here, simply slide up, and the bottom pins at the same time. Just need to align it. Like this, and here we go. It's that. Let's go ahead and put these two nuts and one 12mm bolt back on. I'll start with the bolt. Just wiggle it up. Nut for the top, same for the bottom. Okay, tighten them up. Okay. Make sure to spin it to see if it's moving freely. The next thing is to put this connector back with a 10mm nut. I got it in. Let's go ahead and tighten up. That's enough. At this point, plug this charging connector and this cable with 10mm nut. tight it. Okay. Make sure it's fully tight. Okay. And close this cover. So the alternator has been replaced. Oh, don't forget to place this connector back. Don't forget to install the belt and check your work. Right, so the belt route is should go around the crankcase, where you can see right there the harmonic balancer, and then on the compressor, and then behind the idler pulley, and on the alternator. So I already have routed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pull this. I'm gonna pull this tensioner, and I'm gonna slide this on the alternator. Right. So pull it all the way up and just slide it over in this, like this. Okay, and let this go lightly, easy. Okay, that's it. And just to make sure, check all the routings that the belt is fully seated on all the grooves. And let's go ahead and start the car to see. Alright, so lastly, go ahead and connect the battery and tighten up with the 10mm. Alright, let's go ahead and start the car to see and test the charging to make sure everything is working as supposedly. Alright, so it's looking great. Everything's checked out. Battery has been tied. I checked the voltage. Alternator is charging and holding so everything checked out good. Alternator is charging. So this is how we do alternator replacement in 2018 Toyota Camry. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. I'll be right back with some other helpful video.